song. Well, it must have been the poontang, must have been the weed, must have been a long, hard look at my dungaree. 'Cause baby, I'm a redneck, doesn't mean that you can't love the redneck thing. Well, I got my shoes shine, my heart broken man and station. Better get my beer tramp, 'cause I'm a true blue collar Caucasian. I pulled out all the stops, I put on all the airs and the graces. For all my trouble, you just did not seem to care. Well, that ain't fair. Well, it must have been the poontang, must have been the weed, must have been a long walk to get the dungaree. Maybe I'm a redneck, love the redneck thing. Love the redneck. If I sold my hot dog, 'cause the late times are scaring all the local. Baby ain't grumbling, I beat up the flat jaw yokel. I pulled out all the stops, I put on all the airs and the graces. For all my trouble, you just did not seem to care. Well, that ain't fair. Well, it must have been the poontang, must have been the weed, must have been the dungaree. Maybe I'm a redneck, doesn't mean you can't love the redneck thing. Well, it must have been the poontang, must have been the weed, must have been a long, hard look at the dungaree. Maybe I'm a redneck, doesn't mean you can't love the redneck thing. Redneck. Well, I thank you very much for coming to the Scrooby Fang. Raise money for the best and finest free gig in the whole world ever. That's going to be found on the 4th of June. Introduce you to the band. First off, we've got Simon on the tambourine. Woo! Tambourine solo, Simon. Right here, play that.
Thank you very much. Story fair. All them things. Live your life. Live your life.
Fucking more in the lead guitar. That's right, he's only doing it. We got Shoes blowing in the bass guitar. Ooh, listen to Shoes. Look at him go. Look at his fingers. Let's feel the drums. Let's play the guitar. And I'm Ellie. Yeah, I know, really. No, that's it. One thing, you remember one thing for the start, like to remember to love the redneck band if you could, remember? Love the redneck band. Love the redneck. Love the redneck band. Love the redneck band. All right, this time. Love the redneck band. There we go.